There we go. Ooh, nice. Alright guys, so today I'm fishing with the Mule Horsefly 1.3 inches. And as obviously as you can see, the color is white. And I'm getting hit, man, pretty much every cast, but nothing has swallowed it yet. Oh! So I think this might be my first time fishing in about a month. One week I put it off, and then the week after that we got pretty much rain the whole week, so I wasn't able to get out. But today Britt went up to Higdon and took the kids, so I was able to get out and go fishing. So hopefully, oh, there we go. Today's a productive day. Little bluegill. All right, so about 2 minutes and 30 seconds in, and I got fish number one. Not bad, man. Hopefully it's one of those days where you're just catching fish left and right. That would be a nice treat, man. There we go. All right, a little bit better bluegill. Dang, man. So these fish keep getting in their mouths, but I think the hook is too big for some of these fish. I just keep getting these little pulls and taps at it. But definitely getting bites every single time I cast, man. Oh my gosh, man. I feel like I should go down to hook size maybe, but I want to try to catch some bigger panfish. There we go. Another bluegill. There we go. All right, so I decided to move down just a little bit. I did plan on waiting today. We'll see. Probably after this. Oh, there we go. First cast in this spot. Oh. There we go. Finally a little bit bigger fish. Red breast. There we go. Nice. There you go. And I don't know, I'm not sure what this is. Maybe some type of hybrid? I don't know, maybe green sunfish, red breast, or I don't know, bluegill, red breast. Alright, so I lost my first setup, but decided to keep the same color since it's working so well today. Oh, something just had it. Yeah, man, today's fishing has been, pretty good. Man, just getting all these little fast taps. Just casting over there at that structure and that leaning tree. Uh-oh. Oh! And a little bluegill. I was hoping for something a little bit bigger. Oh! Dang, oop, got out. You would think there'd be something big over there. A little deep pocket. Okay. So that makes 2 of these that I've lost now. There we go. First cast back. Red breast. There we go. Ooh, green sunfish. Alright guys, so I've been fishing probably for about 1.5 hours now. I think I'm gonna put away my big camera and just use this GoPro and head out. I haven't eaten today, so I'm getting a bit hungry. So hopefully I can catch a few more fish as I head back to the truck. There we go. Ooh, nice red breast.